In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a call-only ad in Google Ads for the year 2025. We'll break it down into easy, manageable steps so you can follow along seamlessly and set up effective call-only campaigns designed to drive more phone calls to your business. Perfect if you're looking to boost direct customer interaction, especially in service-based industries where conversations over the phone can be more effective than just clicks or visits. To kick things off, we'll begin by navigating to the Google Ads homepage. Fire up your preferred web browser and head to the Google Ads website. Once there, you'll need to sign in, so go ahead and click on the sign in button right at the top. If you don't already have an account set up, you'll need to create one before continuing, but assuming you're ready to go, log in to access your Google Ads home. Now that you're on your Google Ads homepage, let's turn our attention to setting up your ad campaign. Look for the section that says Goals. This is where you'll establish what you want your campaign to achieve. Click on the Goals option to proceed. This step is crucial since clearly defined objectives will guide how effectively your ads perform, particularly focusing on generating phone calls. Once you've set your goals, an important aspect is measuring your success. To do this, we need to head to the conversion section. This will let you track how well your call-only ads are performing in terms of getting real results. Click on conversions, which essentially helps in measuring the return on investment from your advertising spend. Monitoring conversions is key to refining your strategy and ensuring that you're getting the desired outcomes from your campaigns. Now it's time to set up a new conversion action. Click on the new conversion action button. This is where you will specify the details of what constitutes a successful conversion for your call-only ad. You might focus on actions like phone calls of a particular length, or originating from specific geolocations, as these metrics can significantly boost your campaign's precision. Next, you'll be directed to select the type of conversion action you want. For our call-only ad campaign, we are interested in phone calls, so click on phone calls. This specific selection ensures your ads are optimized to encourage a direct call from potential clients. And there you have it, the initial steps to setting up a call-only ad in Google Ads. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to creating campaigns that can enhance your customer engagement over the phone, providing a more personal touch that can translate into higher conversion rates and ultimately more business for you. So ensure you keep these steps handy for future reference and stay tuned for more insightful guides on maximizing your advertising impact. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in our next tutorial.